Hello friends, welcome to Shine's Kitchen. Today I am going to make very simple but very tasty ladyfinger bhujia. This is known as ladyfinger or okra. Wash them properly, wipe them and then thinly slice it. Many people complain that they find their okra sticky. So wipe it properly, wash it, wipe it properly, dry it and then cut it. And these are onions. We require some more amount of onions to prepare this dish. Very simple dish, very few ingredients. Green chilies, turmeric powder, cumin, and one more thing, salt. That's all. If you remember few points while preparing okra, it will come out very nice and non-sticky. Take a pan which is little wider, not deep, which is little wider, and we don't have to cook it covered. That's another very important point. Many people cover it and so it becomes sticky. Oil. Heat up the oil. Oil is hot. Add cumin. This is half a teaspoon of cumin. 3 medium size onion. You can reduce the amount if you don't like onion much, but onion tastes great in this simple vegetable. And this is 250 grams of ladyfinger or okra. And we have to fry these onions till they become little brownish. Not on very high flame, on medium flame. After 2 minutes, we are adding green chilies. These green chilies are not very hot. I have taken 2-3 of them because we are not adding red chili powder into this vegetable. So you can add some more green chilies. Adjust the quantity of chilies according to your taste. Now see, within 4 minutes our onion has reached the right stage, little brownish. Now it's time to add turmeric powder to it. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry turmeric powder for half a minute. No red chili powder, no coriander powder, no garam masala, nothing. Simple yet beautiful and very tasty it will going to be. This is 250 grams. And we are not adding salt right now because it will settle down a little bit. Then we will get the exact amount, exact idea to add the salt. Now we have to add our salt. Add salt according to your taste. You eat. Too much of salt is not good for health. You can always adjust the quantity if you like. It is not in right amount. Mix salt. Generally the people do the mistake is they cover okra at this stage with such kind of lid, but don't cover it. You have to stir it. Slow down the flame and keep stirring like this in between. Okra or bhindi is a vegetable which does not take much time, and we have to cook it like this. Some people squeeze lemon. If you wish, you can. Otherwise, it tastes really awesome with this simple method also. So friends, our okra or bhindi or ladyfinger is ready. You can see no stickiness. Put off the flame. So friends, here's my ladyfinger, okra or bhindi ki bhujia is ready and it has turned really awesome. Very simple, very tasty. Do give a try. Subscribe to my channel and learn cooking in a simple way. Enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time.